Hey everybody, this is the Platinum Knight and welcome to another Going to See video. And today's Going to See video is Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3. To be completely honest, not much special really happened on our way to going to see Guardians of the Galaxy 3. Pretty much all I can say is originally, both me and my uncle actually had a chance to watch this film at least a day early on May 4th, but the reason why we didn't go on May 4th, that is because we ended up getting busy and we had to take care of it. But it's okay though. I mean, we pretty much saw this film on release date, so it's all good. And what's even cooler is Guardians of the Galaxy 3 actually came out on Cinco de Mayo. After me, my uncle, and his friend Andy got done watching the movie, we ended up going to Raising Cane's. And in my opinion, I mean, when I first went to Raising Cane's, I didn't really like it all that much. I mean, their chicken is okay, but nothing worth raving about though. It was actually been a few years since I went to Raising Cane's, so this was actually even before the pandemic. When Raising Cane's was first getting popular over here in California, I liked it, but I didn't love it. So, believe it or not, after we got done watching Guardians 3, this was actually my second time I went to Raising Cane's, and for some reason, I don't know if it's just me, but I actually really enjoyed it. It actually tasted much better compared to the first time I went there. I don't know if Raising Cane's changed their ingredients, but it tasted a lot better compared to my first time, so that was really neat. But anyways, here is my trip to going to see Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3.
I bought the bands and the things will do you chicken.
Popcorn.
Too bad there's only like a fucking 3-hour line for the fucking popcorn.
We are here at the Edwards Regal Cinema to go see Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3. I am so excited.
Better edit that out. Fucking hated place in the world.
every dollar that you donate gets you a sticker from the table, as well as a raffle ticket to win either a Funko Pop or a poster for the movie.
I don't have any change.
Oh, you're good, man. Thank you. Thank you for listening.
Yeah. My hands are blue.
Yep, my hands are also blue.
Brendan was watching.
Whoa.
Balls, put that on the beach.
No way.
She was yanking on them.
Oh, dude, this movie theater is huge. Oh, look at that. Whoa. That is insane. Look how long these stairs are. Holy shit. Oh. Like a workout.
What's cooking, newbie fans? I'm Frankie Salenza here in the Struggle Meals kitchen, and I'm making homemade pizza rolls. These are great because you can customize the fillings with your favorite pizza toppings. I've got all my fillings prepped: pepperoni, mozzarella, pizza sauce, and parmesan.
Oh, that movie was so awesome. That was awesome, dude. That was a great movie. Way better than Volume 2, that's for sure. No, I don't. I'm okay. Oh, that was epic, dude. That was really epic. We are here at Raising Cane's Chicken. Nah. I think I'm gonna get like a chicken strips meal or something.
I'm gonna get the box here.
Ooh, some Raising Cane's chicken. Now this is what you call paradise. Alright, I'm digging in. Alright everybody, that's it for this going to see video. That's it for me going to see Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3, and I really enjoyed it. And once again, I think Raising Cane's actually got better at improving their chicken. Please stay tuned for my Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3 First Impressions video. And yeah everyone, this has been the Platinum Knight. If you enjoyed this video, then please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for new videos, and peace out everybody.